Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the plant design and project engineering in the economics part for accelerated cost recovery system in B fifth and B semester subject. Okay, the important topic છે accelerated cost recovery system. In our previous lecture માં આપણે types of depreciation from definitions જોઈ હતી. Then most important the method of depreciation determining for solving the example. Now the topic is this one, accelerated cost recovery system. The accelerated cost recovery system is a system for determining depreciation allowance based on the statutory annual percentage and class life period established for the United States by federal income tax regulation. The basis of the statutory percentage factor is the declining balance method of depreciation combined with the straight line method. The original accelerated cost recovery system was in effect by the federal taxes and some laws from 1981 through the 1986 with a modified accelerated cost recovery system for March going into the effect in 1987. Okay, simply in general accessories cost recovery system allow one half of full year the part of the deduction from this property in the year it was placed in service and no deduction in the year when the property was anticipated to be the disposed of. Although special month by month rule could be applied for some cases. Similarly, this so-called half-year convention applied for marks यानी कि modified accelerated cost recovery system as one half of a full year deduction part for a property in the year it was placed in a service, but into also allowed one half of a full year deduction part during the year of disposal. Thus, the year depreciable, the values equal the class years for accelerated cost recovery system and equal one more than the class year or marks. The basis of some calculations for the security percentage factor which were applied to the values of the original property to determine the yearly deduction are shown as follows. For arc and the security percentage were based on the HO percentage declining balancing method for which a switch to straight line depreciation. At the time appreciated to this one for a general accelerated recovery system part. Okay, some table in a statutory percentage for use in the accelerated cost recovery system property put in the service after 1980 and below 1987. Now the applied recovery year, then this supported some applied recovery system and the sum regarding this point depreciation and annual function is life recovery 1 to 15 years. Okay, now they maximize the depreciation part. The half year convection applied for the first year when a property was placed in this service. The salvage value was taken as 0 and the marks, the statutory percentage were based on the 1200 percentage declining balancing for class leaves of 3, 5, 7 and 10 years and 150 percentage declining balance of class leaves of 15 and 20 years. The switch of straight line method. And the depreciation at the time appreciate to maximize the deduction. The half year convection applied for the first year when a property was placed in a service and also for the year disposal, the salvage value was taken as 0. And for the both arc and marks, the statutory percentage have been calculated for each of a group. Class years in a turn have been related to the values. Some of the class life accelerated depreciation range and noted earlier result are given in this table. And arc is this one the so in a table 4 for marks. Details such as shown in a table 3 and 4 are presented annually as a part of the United States federal income tax regulation. Tables are also given with the convention other than the half year convention part of marks such as the middle point. Some data. Whatever the property placed in a service in the first, second, third or fourth quarter. During the period from 1981 throughout the 1986, instead of using the applicable ARCS percentage to determine annual depreciation deduction part, the corporation were allowed to use for a straight line depreciation over the recovery period under the following conditions. A 3-year class life property, 3, 5 or 12 years use recovery period of this one. A 5-year class life property, 5, 12 or 25 years. Low years class life property, 10 to 10, 25 or 35 years. 15-year class life property, 15, 35 or 45 years. And some business regarding the were expected in general to conform with the modified accelerated cost recovery system to determine the depreciation deduction part for the real and tangential property. Now the modified for this one for a figure 9.4 and the comparison for a depreciation result. Okay, now the some example જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ નથી આપણે ખાલી થિયરેટિકલી જોવાનું છે. Single and group depreciation part. In depreciation accounting procedures, assets may be depreciated on this basis for individual unit or on the basis of the various types of property, group or classifications. The single unit method required keeping record on each individual assets. Although some applications of this method is simple and the large number of details and some records required makes the accounting expenses very high. Simply this regarding the for the formation. ઓકે, ડિપ્રિશિએશનના પાર્ટમાં આપણે જોઈએ હતા ફંક્શનલ ડિપ્રિશિએશન અને ફિઝિકલ ડિપ્રિશિએશન. એની આપણે સમ મેથડ જોઈ, પ્રેઝન્ટ વેલ્યુ, માર્કેટિંગ વેલ્યુ. ઓકે, અલગ અલગ ડેફિનેશન જોઈ છે એના રિગાર્ડિંગ દ્વારા. મેથડ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે ખાસ. પહેલાં તો આપણે સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન મેથડ જોયું, ડિક્લાઇનિંગ બેલેન્સિંગ મેથડ જોઈ, સમ ઓફ ધ યર ડિજિટ મેથડ જોઈ અને લાસ્ટ વન શ્રિંકિંગ ફંડ મેથડ. ઓકે, જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે આ જ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં પૂછી શકાય છે, બાકીનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ નથી. ઇક્વેશન યાદ રાખવાનું, ડી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ વી માઇનસ વીએસ બાય એન. ઓકે, એટલે ડી મળી જશે. દેન ધી એસેટ વેલ્યુ વી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ વી માઇનસ એડી. પછી યર માટે અલગ અલગ ઇક્વેશન્સ આવે, તેના પછી તમારે પુટ ધ વેલ્યુ કરવાની રહેશે સિમ્પલી. બરાબર. એન્ડ દેન સિંગલ યુનિટ એન્ડ ગ્રુપ ડિપ્રિસિએશન પાર્ટ ઇઝ ધેર વન. ઓકે, in a depreciation accounting procedures, asset may be depreciated on the basis of individual unit or on the basis of various types of property, some group or classifications. The single unit method required keeping records on each individual asset value. Although the applications of this method is simple, the large number of detail record required makes the accounting expenses very high. Okay, the simplify the accounting procedures may concerns the combine their various asset into the groups. For depreciation purposes, there are several types of group account is then employed, and the most common among these are composite account, the classified account, and vintage group accounts. Okay, simply a composite account include all depreciable assets in a one single group, and overall depreciation rate is applied to the entire section account. With this method, the composite depreciation rate must be redetermined when important change occurs in the relative distributions of the same service life of the individual assets. Now, the instead of including all asset in a depreciation account part. Now the depreciation part for a different physical and a functional depreciation જોઈ ગયા હતા આપણે. For instead of the including all asset in a single depreciation account, it is possible to classify properties into general types such as machinery and equipment, office furniture and fixtures, building and transportation equipment. The records for these groups are known as classified accounts. A classified account is similar to a composite account because many items are included same group regardless of life characteristics. Okay, another approach to group depreciation is to include in each account all similar asset having approximately the same service life. These accounts are known as the vintage group account. A separate record is kept for each group, and the same depreciation rate is applied to all the items included each account. With this method, and these advantages of single unit or depreciation are obtained since life characteristics serve as the basis if a large number of items are contained in a vintage group account. The overall depreciation result can be quite accurate because the law of average will apply to the true service lives as compared with the estimated service lives. Okay, some adjustment of depreciation account, estimated service life and salvage value. Okay, the estimated service life and the salvage value of a property are seldom exactly to the actual service life and a salvage value. It is therefore advisable to the adjustment every depreciation part. Okay, the important variables kaya kaya છે when a property is retired under these conditions which do not permit accept agreement between the estimated and actual values. The differences between the book depreciation and the actual depreciation may be handled is one of the following ways. The gain or loss may be credited or charged on the financial record for the current period, or the difference may be credited or charged to a special depreciation reserve. The difference may be carried out on the books for amortization during a reasonable future period. This is a more point evolution of a depreciation method. ये अलग अलग છે. Okay. Comparison of the various depreciation method shows that the declining balance and the sum of the year digit method gives similar result in both cases. The depreciation costs are greater in the early life years of the property than in the later years. Annual depreciation costs are constant when the straight line sinking fund method, present worth method, is used because interest effect are including in the sinking fund and present worth method. The annual decrease in the asset value, these two method is lower in the early life years in the method. Okay, the straight line method is widely used for depreciation cost accounting because it is very simple to apply both to groups and single units, and it is acceptable for cost accounting purposes and for some income taxes determinations part. From the viewpoint of financial productions, okay, some of their method. Okay, thank you so much.